So this is our form factor for all of our portable ESD power supplies, and the one we're looking at here is our universal standard power supply, the one that we recommend for the most applications. It has a encoder-based control system with multiple different menus, so parameter control, running status control, software version. So under parameters, we control the capacitance in microfarads. For this machine, from 10 to 310 microfarads with a resolution of 10 microfarads. ESD voltage, I believe, goes from 30 volts up to 140 volts with a resolution of 1. Switching frequency goes from 10 hertz to 500 hertz with a resolution of 1 hertz. Control mode controls how the system charges and discharges. And then for the different types of relative motion required for ESD to not essentially just weld on a spot and leave that spot, so we need relative motion, be it rotating, vibrating, linear, or some combination therein. So here with this system, we have a vibrating motor and a rotating motor, and we can control the speed of each of those independently, as well as select the different type of applicator type that we're doing. Peening is for no ESD, but we're just hammering the surface using the vibrating applicator. The motor speed for the rotator and vibrator is controlled here from 30% up to 100% with brushless DC motors. Under the running status, we have the current state of the capacitors, the spark frequency as it occurs, the maximum frequency as it occurs over a period, the average frequency, and the time at which the spark time. So with this applicator here, these are some examples of different applicators. We have high and low speed rotating models. We have a purely vibration model, purely rotating, and this one here is rotating and vibrating. So it rotates at a certain speed and vibrates. Set it to rotating and vibrating. And so now the rotating motor in here, which is a low speed, will rotate at 100% of its speed, around 650 RPM, and vibrating at 30% based on the eccentric weight that we load and unload through this door. So here's an example of some ESD. Different types of relative motion allow for different control by the operator, allow for different behavior in the sparking process.